Hey guys, this is Elena here. So I just want to have a huge disclaimer before this video. This video was all just for fun. There was no, it wasn't that serious. We did it for fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video with my baby cousins. Do crazy face! Chicken Nugget Challenge! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing the Chicken Nugget Challenge and I have my baby cousins here with me. So you guys want to say your name? What's your name?
My name is Mioni.
What's your name?
Polo.
And what's your name?
My name is Vanessa.
Okay, so I have my 3 baby cousins, so we're going to basically be eating chicken nuggets from McDonald's, and we're going to set a timer. I'm basically going to put all the chicken nuggets on the platter. So we bought everything from McDonald's. I ordered 60 nuggets. Whoa, look at these, guys. You guys excited? Yeah? So we got 10 pieces. Here's 1, 2, 3. And then another 3. So we're gonna see if we can eat all these chicken nuggets. And we have tons of sauces to go with it as well. Okay, 1, 2, 3, pour it. Good job. Okay, you can give me the boxes. I'll put the boxes over here. Thank you. Okay, we have 2 more left. Tons of chicken nuggets. This one as well. So we have a total of 60 chicken nuggets, and we have some barbecue, ranch, and some sweet and sour. So what sauce do you guys want?
Barbecue.
No, barbecue? Okay guys, so we have all the chicken nuggets here with the sauces. So throughout this challenge, we're going to have 10 minutes to eat 60 chicken nuggets, and I have my cousin on the side. Miley, say hi.
Hi.
And she has some questions right there that she's going to be asking us during this challenge. So guys, she's going to set the 10-minute timer for us, and we have 10 minutes to eat all these chicken nuggets.
Okay.
You guys hungry?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you guys ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Hey everyone, eat! Start eating! Go ahead, Miley. She's going to take one. If you guys see that hand, that's Miley. Was it good, guys? Oh, sorry. So we have to eat all these chicken nuggets. Let's see if we can finish it. Okay, you want to start off with the first question?
How old are all of you guys?
6.
How old are you?
5.
Okay, they're 6. Vanessa's 6. Polo and Nini are 5. What sauce is yours' favorite?
Sweet and sour. Sweet and sour.
Which one's your favorite?
Barbecue sauce.
Barbecue sauce?
My friend, that's the only one he has.
She wants one, guys.
Another one. Okay.
You guys like it? We have to finish fast. Remember, we have 10 minutes. So I did the Vanessa and Nini's hair. I curled them and did a braid, if you guys can tell. Little pigtails and a braid and stuff.
What names do you guys call Elena?
Princess Elena. Elena. Princess Elena. Of course the girls will call her that. Another hand, that's Miley.
Stop, Yummy. How old is Elena? 16, 18, 20, or 2?
18.
How old am I? How old do you think I am?
22. 16.
So she thinks I'm 18, 22, and then she thinks I'm 16. And the answer is I'm 18 years old. Yeah, that one looks like a bunny. Show them.
I ate its ear off.
I need to start helping you guys. You guys like it? Yeah?
This might be the best day of my life because I'm making my first video.
You're so cute. Guys, they wanted to do a video. They love doing videos with me. And they've been actually wanting to do this chicken nugget challenge for the longest time, huh?
Mhm.
You guys love doing videos?
Mhm.
What's your favorite memory with Elena?
Okay, you go first. Think about a memory you have with me. You like.
Wait, can I tell them right now?
Yeah, go ahead and tell them.
When me and Polo and Vanessa and Elena got ice cream at McDonald's.
Mmm. Okay, what's one of your favorite memories with me, Bubba?
The hot Cheeto challenge.
Yeah, because I don't know if you guys seen it, but I did a hot Cheeto challenge with him and his sister. So that's his favorite. What about you, Nessa?
Hot Cheeto challenge.
Mm-hmm. What's the time at?
4 minutes and 40 seconds.
Okay, ask the next question.
What's one word to describe Elena?
I don't know what that means.
So, like, what is one word you'll describe me? Like funny, pretty, tall, short,
Pretty.
pretty. What's one to describe me?
Pretty. Pretty.
Thank you, babies.
Your favorite toy?
Barbie.
Barbie?
Which cars?
Which one?
Which cars?
Race cars. Barbies. Okay. You guys want your drinks?
Yeah.
No, not yet? So for our drinks, I just have my water, and then the babies have their cups of water. And then my assistant is getting it for us. Thank you, Miley, my assistant. You guys can grab your water when you want it, okay? Whenever you're thirsty. You need it? You got it? There you go. Good job. You guys want your water? Not yet? Okay. Good job. Keep eating, guys.
What's one funny story that happened at school? I'm putting more chicken nuggets over here for you guys.
We're almost done, guys. We're actually killing this. You don't have any? Okay, so she doesn't have any funny stories. Do you guys have any funny stories that happen at school? Yeah, Nessa, go ahead. Go ahead and tell them.
Sometimes at school my teacher forgets to do stuff.
Mm-hmm. It's funny. Anything funny? Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, she does.
Mm-hmm.
All the time my teacher forgets to feed our school pets.
What's your school pets?
Rats?
Yep, guys, our school pets are rats. Does your school have pets? Oh, sorry, Mom.
What's your guys' favorite color?
Blue. Red. Blue.
You know what Nana's is? Is pink.
I knew it. Me too.
Yeah.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
A police officer. A robber.
A robber?
A police.
Mm. You guys like playing police, cops, and robbers?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I used to play that all the time with my friends at preschool.
Mm.
And my preschool had a bigger playground at this school. It was funner.
Mm-hmm.
Favorite food?
Pizza.
What's your favorite food? Do you like French fries, hamburgers?
Wait, no, never mind. Full.
You like pho? So she likes pho.
Pizza.
Pizza. What's your favorite?
Bacon.
Bacon?
One naughty thing you did?
A naughty thing. What's the naughty thing you guys haven't told your parents about? Can you guys think of anything that you did naughty?
I know.
What?
I stole chips without asking.
You stole chips without asking? What about you, Polo? What's one naughty thing you did?
Maybe hurt your sister.
Is it no one? Vanessa?
I spanked my sister's.
You spanked your sister? Okay.
What's one good thing you did?
What's one good thing you guys did?
Brush my teeth. And you listen to my parents.
Mm-hmm.
Brush my teeth. I be nice to my friends.
Nice.
Why do you love Elena?
Oh. Because she's my cousin. She's my cousin.
Do another one.
Don't copy me.
Aw, thank you.
Don't copy me.
Tell them why else do you love me besides I'm your cousin. Why else? Cause
She's pretty.
it...
She's a princess.
I'm a princess. Oh, thank you, Papa. Guys, these are literally the sweetest kids you will ever meet. Nini's sister shaking her head no. You want another chicken nugget?
Of course.
If you want to be my sister, then no. Don't be my sister, cause if you be mean to me, then I might be mean to you back.
So guys, that's all the questions, and how much time do we have?
We have 1 minute and 20 seconds.
1
We're
minute,
almost
guys.
done.
Yeah, come on, can we finish it? You guys have 3, we have 3. It's okay, use your napkin. Last one. So we have the last chicken nugget. Good job. We all won, guys. We all finished it. Yay.
Go.
Good job. You guys were thirsty, huh?
If you get 100 chicken nuggets, then you're not allowed to eat all of those. If you get how much we got, then you're allowed to eat all of those.
Yeah, so we bought 60 just because I knew with the babies we could not finish 100. Like, there was no way. But we finished 60, which is a surprise. I didn't think we were going to, but I think we're just all hungry.
I thought we were going to finish it.
Yeah? What did you guys think? Did you guys
Yeah.
think? Yeah? How many would you guys say you ate?
300.
300? I think I ate the most 20. I don't know if you guys are counting.
I think I ate 1 trillion.
1 trillion? How much do you think you ate?
300.
Okay.
First video.
Yeah, this is her first time on YouTube because these two already been on my YouTube channel, but this one was really excited. She really wanted to be in my video. So if you guys like seeing me with my baby cousins, just comment down below and I could do more videos with them. They love doing videos with me. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Peace out.
Bye.
Peace out. Peace out.
Peace.
Peace out.
You guys want to say bye?
Bye.
Bye.